This week's Developer Roundup focuses on concrete engineering fixes you can adopt now. We covered protocol archaeology that avoided 665,000 tokens. We explain why leases can still corrupt data and need fencing tokens. You'll see a large Typst convergence optimization and a two-line Sentry fix. A developer reverse-engineered Claude Design's undocumented API and built DSX. A naive agent pull cost about 665,000 tokens on a large project. DSX talks to the MCP JSON RPC endpoint and documents protocol.md. Live tests hit the real server rather than trusting mocks. Design choices, atomic temp then rename rights, byte-level conflicts, a local ledger, and no third-party deps. Why this matters. Streaming file bytes through a model is costly and exposes data to the context. Separating transport from the model cuts cost and exposure. Live tests reveal protocol changes early, preventing silent corruption. Treat LLM UIs as services and verify protocol facts live. A TTL lease is an opinion about time, not proof the previous owner stopped acting. A paused worker can later overwrite a newer owner's right. Fencing returns a strictly increasing generation on acquire. Resources accept only rights with a generation newer than the recorded greatest. Implement with an atomic conditional update in PostgreSQL, or use sequencers like Chubby or Zookeeper. Typst recompiles to settle introspection queries. A report showed 11,618,776 recorded introspections. The analyzer reran each 6 times, roughly 70 million re-executions. Change, analyzed distinct introspections only once. Measured a 13,334 times duplication factor and about 1.55 microseconds per introspection. Result up to 334 times faster in the pathological analysis case. A production app showed 0 Sentry errors for months. Only 1 out of 19 routes called Sentry.capture exception. Other routes logged to console and returned clean errors. Fix, centralize reporting in shared helpers and call await Sentry.flush 2000 before responding on Cloud Run. This surfaces errors without changing client behavior. 3 practical N8N workflows are published. Stripe alerts, listens to 5 webhook events and uses Stripe trigger for signature verification. Invoice chaser, runs daily at 8 a.m., reads Google Sheets, and escalates reminders across 3 tiers. WhatsApp AI bot, 9 nodes, webhook must be replied to within 20 seconds. Estimated cost 46 cents per month for 100 messages a day. Workflows are available as importable JSON. Halftone UI prints UI surfaces using a seated Poisson disk halftone press. It is MIT licensed with no runtime dependencies and provides React and Vue adapters. SayChef focuses on voice-first recipe management and tolerating messy natural speech. Both favor small, local-first engines that keep semantics intact. AWS DevOps Agent uses an agent space to bound access. Use the AWS CC provider because resources rely on AWS Cloud Control. Separate agent IAM role and operator web app role. Commit.terraform.lock.hcl and bootstrap a backend before using Terraform state. Review retention before destroying an agent space to avoid losing history. Key takeaways. 1. Document undocumented endpoints and add live protocol tests. 2. Use fencing tokens or conditional updates, not longer TTLs for correctness. 3. Dedupe heavy diagnostics only on the failure path. 4. Centralize observability and call Sentry.flush on short-lived platforms. 5. Ship importable workflow JSON to speed adoption. All source links are in the description. 12 dev posts were used, including DSX, distributed locking, Typst, and Sentry. Open the description to follow the exact articles and example repos.